Hey guys, what's going on? Immediately here. So now I'm going to unbox this rugged ammo back case for Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. This is my new case and it's very cheap. So before I start, let's take a look at the box first. So here's the details, as you can see. So let's unbox it. Let's take a look at the case. Very nice. Okay, so here's the buttons, volume buttons and power buttons, and at the side have some small line. As you can see, here's some hole for your remote IR, headphone jack, and sound record, fingerprint, and camera flash, and speaker and sound recording. And last but not least is the for charging port. Yeah, so now I'm gonna install it. So this is my Redmi Note 7. Okay, focus it. Okay, so very easy to install. That's all. Little bit heavy when I hold this case. So this phone is 180 gram. So this fingerprint pads is very protect, as you can see. So when you example, when you accidentally fell down the phone, then the fingerprint doesn't touch the, yeah. And the camera is not so protect because, as you can see, the hole is a little bit bigger. Yeah. The feel is very good, but the side is a little bit bigger compared to my previous case, carbon fiber. Yeah. This is fully rubber case and some carbon fiber, as you can see. So that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.